Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add different VoiceOver Rotor languages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility, then tap on VoiceOver. Next, we go down and tap on Speech. In here, go to Rotor Languages section and then tap on Add New Language. In here, go down and select a language. And then, if you want to customize that language, tap on it. In here, you can choose a voice for that language. So here we got Siri or Vina. And then tap on the play button.
Hello, my name is Veena. I am an Indian English voice.
So if you like to use that voice, you can tap on the download button to download it. Once it is downloaded, it will be available on your phone for you to use. At the bottom here, you can also change the speaking rate. So you can drag it to the right to increase or decrease the speaking rate. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. So we just wait for that to finish. When it has finished, we can then select out that language. So here we can just turn on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on, settings, characters, words, speaking rate, containers. VoiceOver, switch button, tip, diff characters. Cap D, E, T, E, C, T, I, O, M, space, cap O, D, E, comma.
Just turn it off.
VoiceOver off.
And then we go down to speech. And then just going to remove that one. Delete Karen. And in here we got Rishi.
Hello, my name is Rishi. I am an Indian English voice.
And that's it. So that is how you can add in VoiceOver speech Rotor languages. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.